we want to spill, we want to spill it out here.
Keep it out.
Okay, slow. Now bring it around towards, or bring it south. Not yet, right? Down? No, or north.
Oh, north.
What did I say, south? I'm gonna learn south and north.
All right, go on around a little bit with the handle.
We're
You
about
go
there.
around?
Okay.
Do I need to get a little closer, or you
No.
all right? Huh?
Okay.
I'm on.
Okay, let me know when. Keep pouring, keep
Around.
pouring.
It's not going on the floor.
We're good.
That's
All
it.
right.
We got a whole bunch left over.
Well, we thought we would.
Okay,
Hang on to it a little bit,
Try
Andy,
to
till we
keep
get
it
out
from
of here.
spilling.
That's good. Now push it away, Andrew.
Anything down?
I got it. Let go. Let go. Got down.
Tip it back that way. You're gonna start dumping over the end.
Yeah.
There you go.